Okay, welcome in the second part in our Let's Read to Understand lessons. Okay, so we have Unit 11, A Garden for All, page 40, Period 1 and Period 2. Okay, so let's start. The first thing we do before we do anything, we preview what we have. So we have here the lesson, okay? We preview it. How do we preview? We look at the picture, or the pictures. What do the pictures show? People, places, things, anything that is written. So you focus firstly on the pictures. Okay, now the second thing, you look at the characters. Let's see, who are the characters here? Okay, it seems that we have a narrator here. Okay, and we have these characters who are Lana, Lisa, speaker, and Mr. Qadiri. Okay, now the third thing we do, we read the first lines and last lines. Okay, great. So we do this. Now, if you look at page 40, you'll find this a question that you are going to look at the picture here and describe it. I'm going to give you 60 seconds to answer this question. Okay, let's start. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Halfway. Okay. Okay, we're done. So let's see the answers. You answer like this? Well done. Okay. The second thing we do after we preview, we predict according to our previewing. So we write our prediction according to what we have done before. So my prediction is, what's your prediction? So you're gonna write two predictions and check their and check them here. Okay. Now the third thing you do, and it is when we read and annotate. We write our notes. Okay. Now I want you to put 15 minutes. I want you to pause the video on your book. You read the text, okay, from page 40, and add your own notes. Only 15 minutes. Set time for 15 minutes. Okay, great. Now, so after you have finished writing your notes, let's see what's gonna be next. Yes, well, here we're gonna read the text together and we'll try to put some notes. Okay, so one day Lana and Lisa commented on a piece of waste ground that they always went past on their way to school. Okay, so here they refers to Lana and Lisa. Okay, on their way to school, they refers to Lana and Lisa also. Okay, Lana says, "Look at all the rubbish and broken glass." Rubbish and broken glass. So what is rubbish exactly? Well done. It is garbage or trash. Like in this picture, look at this rubbish. It isn't very nice, is it? No, it's horrible. Is it a good thing? No, it's horrible. So horrible here, it is what? It is very bad or awful. They should do something about it, shouldn't they? Maybe someone is doing something. Look at this notice. Look at this notice. So this is a notice on the fence. That's happening tonight, isn't it? I'd like to go. What about you? Yes, but we can't go alone, can we? I'll ask Dad to go too. Mr. Qadiri was free that evening, so he went to the meeting with the girls. We are aiming to build a garden for everyone. For example, we want to make part of it a safe play area for children. You can imagine the trees and the flowers, can't you? Yes, it will look lovely right here in the middle of town, won't it? Yes, it will. It's a good project. Spring is coming, so we're starting this Sunday. Who would like to join us? Lisa? But we can't start yet, can we? It's still early March, so it's cold. Oh, but we certainly can start. March is a busy time in the garden. Come on, Lisa, we can try it, can't we? Let's have a go. Let's say yes. Okay, now, after you have after you have listened to the lesson, you can repeat again to see your reading aloud how it would be. Okay, next thing that we're gonna do, we are gonna read again and answer the questions that are on page from page 40. So the answers are from in page 40, the questions in page 41. Okay, we're gonna start question by question and try to answer them together. Okay, let's start. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you that you have 17 seconds to answer. What was the problem with the piece of waste ground? Okay, so the problem, piece of waste ground, these are the keywords. So we have one of them. What's the problem? After we read this, you will find that there was rubbish and broken glass on that ground. Let's see the next question, but watch the time. What made Lana think that someone was doing something about the mess? Mess الفوضى. Okay, so what made Lana think that someone doing something about the mess? Okay, maybe someone is doing something. She looked at the notice. She looked at the notice on the fence. Okay, next question. What was the writer of the notice inviting people to do? Look at the notice. Okay, so the writer inviting people? Well, he invited them to come to discuss creating a community garden. From here. Okay, next question. What was the name of the notice writers organization? Okay. Yes, so the name of the organization? Well, it is the Community Garden Group. Where did I find the answer? From here, Community Garden Group. Next question. Where and when was the meeting? That's an easy question. Okay, so very good if you answered. So, but for where and when was the meeting? So the answer is Community Hall, 8:30 Tuesday, 4th of March. So where did I find it? Here. Okay, next question. This is a tricky question. What date it when Lana and Lisa saw the notice? So the keywords that helped us, what date Lana and Lisa saw the notice. Okay, so by reading this and trying to answer, we'll find that it was 4th of March. Why it is 4th of March? Because that's happening tonight, and tonight is 4th of March, right? 8:30. So the date is 4th of March. Next. Okay. Yeah, so by reading the question, what did the girls and Lana's father want to do? What do they want? Okay, they want to join the project. Okay? It's a good project, Mr. Qadir said. Last question. Lisa. Can't start yet. Okay, why did not Lisa want to do this at first, joining the project? Well, she thinks that it's still early to start since it's too cold. And it's in March, so this is the answer. Okay, now you have this quiz. Please answer it. Fill in the blanks with the words from the box. See you in the next video.